How to change the language on Amazon app. So welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language that is displayed in the Amazon app, and this will work both on iOS and Android. So your phone or tablet, this is how you can change the language in the Amazon app. So what you have to do is just simply open your Amazon app, then just click on these three bars in the bottom right corner. This will open up a new section of the app. What we have to do is now just scroll down until we see settings at the bottom. Select that and then just select country and language. So when we here we can select first our country and region, and then based on that you will have specific language that are available to you. As you can see, for the United States, if I have that select my country and then I select my language right here, I have multiple options here: English, Spanish, German, Chinese. So I can select anyone, so I'm going for English now. So that's how you can change your language in Amazon app on mobile. Once you select your desired language, simply select done, and then that will be the language displayed in the Amazon app. So that's how you can change the language in the Amazon app. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.